Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got Anna in the studio and Peter's going to do a recreation of a light that he did on an editorial shoot, and he's using a few of his little tricks using some milk bottles to shape the way that the light falls on the background, and we thought it'd be interesting to just recreate it and show you how he did it.
Okay, this is the reference picture that we're copying, and basically the lighting that I've set up is I have on the background I have a Profoto down here with a deep reflector and a grid, and I've set up two empty milk bottles each side because originally it was vignetting the light was spreading way too much. So by me moving the sort of opaque milk bottles, which are empty in close, it's kept the shape of the vignette of the light on the background as is. I've just got Anna on a piece of Perspex or Pyrex. It's a clear plastic. I've got a bare bulb Profoto on the one front, just pretty much pointing slightly above her head. In fact, I might just drop that a fraction, just drop that a touch further. It's a 180 degree light, so when it goes off, light goes 180 degree. It is stronger in the center than the outside, but I just wanted to tilt that down a bit. I've taken a couple of practice shots. That was the practice shot we did, the last one we did when she had her robe on. I'll just take a shot now, just to double check everything's cool. Cool, I like that. Right, so that's actually put the white over. Right, so she's right close to going off. So maybe that tilt down was a bad thing of me. Let's tilt that light up a little bit to get less light on the white. I'll just fine tune it from here. Made no difference whatsoever. I'll take the power down a third of a stop. That brought it down a lot. I'm just going to have a look at, all right, so my white says blue channel's going off at 250. Everything 248, so it's only the blue channel going off, so there's a bit of blue in there. I can live with that. It means I'm still going to have texture in there. So as I've done with previous images, I did go and find the original raw to this, which was this, and if I just click on this picture, it'll apply those settings to the next picture. Now this is where things are a bit different because everybody's skin's slightly different. Everybody looks a little bit different. I did a bit of a play, so I'm just going to try one of the ones I did a play on, which was that. Let's see what I get with those settings. Now I'll explain you the difference. Right, so between, I like part of that, and I like part of that. So I've used a different channel. What about if I just go to here and tilt and play with a bit? So in here it's got a fair bit of shadow fill. Let's bring a fair bit of that off. I'll take a little bit of the Hasselblad clarity off, and I might just put a little bit more of a curve in there. If I just take a picture, All right, so now what I'll do, I'll compare against the new adjusted one, which was adjusted of the old one, and yeah, I think I like that better. It's hard when you've got different faces. Let's see if we can, I'll try this one again. Let's see if we can get a better face off Anna. Really work a nice face, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Soft, just drop your head a little bit. Nice, that's better. It's always hard, I find it hard to compare shots if the facial expression isn't giving you the look that you want. So you see there and now with the mouth open's just not giving me a look. I do think I like it there. If I come into here, 247's 249, so I can live with that. I've still got detail in there, and if worse come to worse, I could always use a recovery. So I'll just run with that and ignore the little bit of blue on the white sheet. Cool. I can live with the bottom edge. I'm liking Anna, I'm liking my background. I don't like the cable hanging down. Do one final test shot and then start trying to nail off some bit. That's really pretty. Cool. So I've locked in my camera, I've locked in my focus. And the only other thing is I've got a little bit of retouching to do out here, but I can fix that later. That doesn't bother me. All right, Anna. Eyes. It's all about eyes and shape. So just by you moving your toes or your fingers should change the mood that's in your face. That's really cool. That's really cool. That's nice. That's really pretty. Drop your head back over this way. That's it. Nice. Nice. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. That's really pretty. Stunning. Stunning. Yeah, the more you just drift around, the better. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. With this, I'm not going to tell Anna the feel. So Anna's already picked the type of feel that she wants to put into this picture, and I'm happy with it, really like that. While she's staying within the mood I'm after, one thing, can I just get you to slide, if you're going to lean forward, can you just slide your bum backwards? Yeah, you can still keep it over that side. Yeah, just there, perfect. I'm just, because I'm running out of table where your feet are, that'll fix up that problem. It also turns you around a little bit more. That's really pretty. I like that so much better. Cool. That's pretty. I've just also come up a fraction higher. Yeah, there, that's really pretty. Cool, cool. 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 Stunning. I'm not going to change much my angle because we've set up the light in the background and everything to get that beautiful, that's really pretty. Get that really pretty halo sitting in the background just using that backlight. Yeah, the smooth that you're going for now is perfect. I'll just do another 10 or 15. Cool. Cool. That's really pretty. That's beautiful. I love it. Just that casual, I'm really like just the casualness of, not that you'd be sitting on the dining room table with a sheet around you, but just that beautiful casualness of, cool, that's really pretty. There, I like that. Sitting up is really nice. Just there, perfect, perfect. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. Cool. So pretty. So one final thing I might just do is just to show you, at the moment I've got a 150 lens on, and the reason I did that is I didn't want as wide a spread on the background behind Anna. So I was trying to get it to be a little bit more narrow so that vignette stayed much tighter. I just want to show you the difference. So I'm coming from a 150 on the Hasselblad, and I've come on down to an 80. I'm just going to zoom in so I've got the same crop. Just so, this is mainly just so you can see the difference, what's going to happen to the background of this picture from the other picture. That still can come in a bit more. So that's really pretty, that's really pretty. So this is a difference between those two lenses. There's the 150 and the perspective I'm getting with the background, but then have a look at the difference when I come down to the 80. I'll just do another picture. I might drop a little bit lower because I've got more problems with the floor in the background from shooting at that height. So I've got to drop down lower to try and pull some of that floor out. Cool. And this is one of the things that, understanding what you're trying to do behind the model with your lens is just as important of what you're doing at the front. Even then, I don't like how this spot's now this small. Whereas I come back to the 150, see how the spot's taking up a lot more room in the picture.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did and you want to see some other shoots that we've done, I'll pop them on the screen now.